Okay, so we decided to do like this OJ gun game. We're 1v1ing and we're doing first to get to 50 or something. I don't know if it was 50 exactly. It was the last game. Sorry about the cut. I accidentally stopped recording, so it will come back at like eventually. It will come back. But one thing we do is we often trash talk each other because we're kind of just really mean to each other. Yeah, this got cut. I'm not hacking or anything. It just does that glitch where it shows like a clear blue. I don't know why. It's kind of annoying. It exploded me. I got mad because he was beating me a lot. But I don't understand why they spawn so close. Like, they spawn really close together. Sorry for the phone sound in the background. That's my dog. But I literally could not kill him for the life of me. He was trying to do a trick shot. But he failed. I'm killing me though. And I couldn't even get past the first pistol. So that's kind of frustrating. Finally I got it. After he had already gotten 8 of them. I hit against the wall, and then I'm pretty sure I ended up dying because I'm peeking. Yeah, and then he killed me. Oh wait, no. He loves hand cannons. I hate hand cannons. I think hand cannons are those like he spawned right on top of me. That makes no sense. Like, that's really annoying, to be honest. But I'm throwing rails. The rails aren't that interesting. We're gonna try to post more. Just this weekend, he's going to and then I ended up texting him because, and then he kind of raged that I kept on catching up-ish a little bit later. But he also said some of the time he quote-unquote lets me, and some of the time I let him. See, I don't like the hand cannon. It drives me insane. I love assault rifles, ARs. Music. Comment down below what you guys think of the new season and what your favorite skin from the battle pass is. I like chapter 5. I do miss the OG season. One of my favorite skins is the Hope skin. Definitely. I love the Hope skin.
Here I eliminated him. He was beating me by 3. I don't know if I got a good snipe here or not. But I think I made... You hear like an eating noise, I'm eating a popsicle. So he shotgunned me and then I sniped him. So I was the Honda, I think I got a pretty good kill. I almost raged quit. I'm kind of bad at flying. You know, I'm getting some. Him. The audio wasn't working, so we have to do a voiceover screen video. Hit the car and he's like, how is it not hitting you? And he still killed me. So he's gotten quite a big lead. not get this hunting rifle done. And I think I got it soon. I'm just proud of myself for that. You know? It gives him new guns, but not me, so that makes me rage. He jumped over that. So close. That was kind of cool. Yeah, I was proud of that. I was very proud of that. See, I feel like the pumps take too long to like. I'll get him. At one point, I think he gets it's stuck on me. Got it right before. I like the I thought I killed him there, but it was really him, just he killed himself on accident. Like, this one goes on forever. See, we will post a part 2. Oh, we were just waiting for it. And then and then he killed himself again. We're continuing, and we didn't quite get. I was trying to kill him, but then I kept shooting. Because I like to be. Like figure guns, they're kind of weird. And then in college they're weird. It's like they're so weird. And we're kind of, well, it's probably because we're really weird. But he calls people weird when he rages. That's just my. And then this was kind of a weird thing. I ended up killing him. And then I'm pretty sure he spawns right in that house. No, he doesn't. And then I do that. And then I was shooting him, which I was very proud of. Because that was a good trick. Shot. In my opinion. Who do you think is better? It's probably him. He's played a lot longer. I joined when there was the OG season. So Dynamite. Dynamite is not my favorite. You just kind of have to spam throw it. Kind of annoying. And then we're by trash. Which makes me rage a lot. Respawn. A lot of the time when I can't get past a gun here, either helps me